Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk through the process of repairing the water sensor on your Conga X50. First, let's gather the tools you will need. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Begin by powering off your Conga X50 and unplugging it from the power source. This is crucial for your safety. Next, locate the screws on the bottom of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a secure location. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Here, you'll see the water sensor that needs attention. It's important to clean around the sensor using the soft cloth and isopropyl alcohol. This will help remove any debris or buildup that may be affecting its performance. After cleaning, carefully inspect the sensor for any visible damage or loose connections. If you notice any issues, reconnect the wires properly. This is a good time to mention that if you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing these repairs, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Next, let's put everything back together. Align the cover back onto the vacuum and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Ensure everything is tightly closed to prevent any dust or dirt from entering. Before you power it back on, take a moment to check if the water sensor is functioning properly. If it's still not working as expected, consider using our pickup and delivery at your home service. This means no calls, no travel, and you can get a quote before repair, saving you time and hassle. Once you've confirmed that the sensor is repaired, plug the vacuum back in and power it on. Test the water sensor by running a small cleaning cycle. If everything is functioning well, congratulations on successfully repairing your Conga X50. If you encounter further issues, remember that we are here to help with our expert services. You can always reach out for assistance if needed. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.